Ethanol has fewer emissions, but it also has lower BTUs, which means less power and fewer miles per gallon. Ethanol holds up to 50% more moisture than gasoline, which may cause phase separation as ethanol and water separate from gasoline and settle in the bottom of the tank. Moisture in the gas tank may cause fuel system corrosion and poor cold weather starting. Ethanol contains a mildly acidic molecule, which further accelerates the corrosion process of metal components. The new BG Ethanol Defence Kit includes a cleaner, BG Ethanol Fuel System Defender, part number 213, and a dryer, BG Ethanol Fuel System Dryer, part number 281. For corrosion protection at each fill-up, BG Ethanol Corrosion Preventer,
part number 2126,
will restrict fuel oxidation, gums, and varnish, and protect metal components from corrosion. Today's engines have a defender against ethanol corrosion with the BG Ethanol Defence Kit from BG Products Incorporated. We drive service.